Hi everyone and welcome back to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and today I'm going to share with you my air fryer tips as well as how to achieve a very moist, delicious salmon all made in your air fryer. It is quite unbelievable. I myself was so surprised. It was so tasty and full of flavor. It was really a treat and such an amazing way to enjoy your salmon. My air fryer is over 5 years old and it was a thoughtful gift from my brother and sister-in-law. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it and I am making good use of it. So let's get air frying. I'm using less than 400 grams of salmon and I'm now proceeding to make my marinade. I've added about a tablespoon, just over a tablespoon of avocado oil. You can also use cooking olive oil or even sesame seed oil. Next, I'm adding a tablespoon of soy sauce. This is low sodium soy sauce. If you are following Never Hungry, go easy on all of the sauces. The oil is fine. Next, I'm adding a teaspoon of teriyaki sauce. As well as half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Mix everything together. Next, I'm adding just a touch of maple syrup. This is approximately half a teaspoon. You can use honey as well. Alternatively, even brown sugar. If you're following Never Hungry, you can leave it out or use a touch of sweetener. Continue to mix further. Ensure your honey or maple syrup is nicely dissolved with the rest of the sauces. It tends to become a bit sticky. So once you're done, set it aside. We're going to start marinating our salmon fillets. So there is sufficient salt in my sauce itself. I'm just adding a tiny sprinkle to the skins. And then I'm going to turn them over and add the rest of my marinade that has been sitting aside. And just ensure you cover it properly, and then you want to baste it completely on both sides. And while my salmon is marinating, I'm going to go through a few tips which will help you to achieve that delicious moist food, flavorful food using your air fryer. And now you can turn them over, skin side up, and let it marinate for a while in all of that delicious sauce. Depending on the model that you have, you can add 2 tablespoons of water to the base of your air fryer. And this not only keeps your food very moist, but it helps so much with the cleaning process. It makes it super easy and it stops any smokiness that comes out of your machine. Using foil or baking sheet at the base of your tray is also not recommended as it prevents proper airflow. In my following videos, I will share some tips as to how I use my foil. Next, using a little bit of oil, rub it into the basket, and this will also prevent your food from sticking. I'm now ready to add my marinated salmon fillets, skin side down. Airflow inside your air fryer is very important, so ensure your basket is not crowded and it's spaced properly. We're not going to waste any of that marinade. I'm now going to drizzle some on top of the salmon, and this will also keep it moist, as well as add some fresh lemon slices. And these lemon slices are so important. They keep it moist the whole time it's in the air fryer. And when you are ready to serve, squeeze all this delicious lemon juice onto your salmon. I'm now popping my salmon into the air fryer for approximately 15 minutes at 180 degrees. And in 15 minutes, you are going to be so overwhelmed when you see your salmon. It's delicious, flavorful, the color is amazing, and the taste absolutely out of this world. With such little effort and to have such an amazing result, I can't wait to try this again and again. And if you decide to give it a try, please let me know. As usual, all the ingredients used will be found in the drop-down description below. Please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share. And your kind comments are always very welcome. See you again soon in Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena. Enjoy your day.